Make a great choice today with the 2019 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, dual pane panoramic sunroof, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.